Welcome back, friends. Welcome to Blame Builder Lecture YouTube channel. Today, we will deal with how to convert PDF files to PowerPoint files. That is how to convert PDF to PPT or PPTS files. Now let's dive in, but before then, it's very important that you know how to convert this PDF file. Maybe after doing your work is already in PDF file and you don't have time again to start doing a PowerPoint slide for your presentation. This simple app will help you. This simple app is a free version app. You can get it anywhere. You can get it in any browser of your choice, be it Chrome, be it Microsoft Edge. You can get it. So let's dive in. Let's dive into this thing. So the first thing you will do is you open your browser, either Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or any other browser that you're using. When you open it, you will type I love pdf.com. When you type I love pdf.com, you click on search, it will take you to this interface. So the first thing we do in this interface of I love pdf is that you will sign up, or you sign in using Google. If you see my name, I now see that I already sign in with my name. So, and this app can do a lot of things. It can do a lot of things. Look at it. This at everything that this app can do. It can match PDF file, it can split PDF, it can compress PDF, it can convert PDF to Word, it can convert PDF to micro PowerPoint. You can convert PDF to PowerPoint. You can convert PDF to Excel, Word to PDF. So this app is very important as for the social students, be it undergraduate, masters, or PhD students. It's very important that you use this app. So if you have this video, if you watch this video, please don't forget to share and also subscribe for more videos. Share photos that other people that don't have this will know about this and also watch it in this channel. So it can do a lot of things, but in our this training we will focus on conversion of PDF to PowerPoint. That is, turn your PDF files into easy to edit PPT and PPTS slideshow. And another one again is how to convert this PowerPoint, the PowerPoint that we have already converted, we will now convert it back to PDF. So that is, make PPT and PPTS slideshow easy to view by converting them to PDF files. So that is what we will do today. Okay, let's continue. The first thing we will do, let us start with converting PDF to PowerPoint. What you do is, you see this square button, you double click on this square button. Then when you double click, it will take you to this interface, that is convert PDF to PowerPoint interface. Okay, you will now double click on this button. You can select PDF directly from your PC, or you pick it from Google Drive. Select PDF from Google Drive, or um, you can get it from Dropbox. But in this case, we will select PDF on our PC. You double click on this button, or you right click. When you right click on this button, you will select open in a new, when you right click like this, you will select, you have to open link in new tab, or best thing is to double click. Let's double click. When you double click, it will take you to where you will get the file, the PDF file that you want to convert. All right, So look at where I will get my own PDF that I want to. This is the PDF file from my work. Okay, you click on it, you left click. When you select it, then you open. When you open it, you automatically come to this. Okay, okay. When you do that, look at the PDF file here. Look at the PDF file. They can add more. You can, maybe if you want to merge, if you want to merge it, you can add more file here, add more file. But in this case, I don't want to merge anyone. I don't want to split. What I want is to convert it to ppts file. So but in a bonus video, I will still give you how to do this one, at least one. Okay, when the document is already here, you click on convert to ppt. When you click on convert to ppt, it will start converting pdf to PowerPoint. Okay, so it has already converted. Now tell you to download it. Your PDF has been converted to an edible PowerPoint presentation. Then you now click on it and it will start downloading. Even if you didn't click on it, once you finish converting, it will take you to how to download. Or if the thing does not happen automatically, you can left click, it will now download. Okay, so let us open our PowerPoint file now. Okay, this is our PowerPoint file. Can you see now our work that is in PDF file is now in PowerPoint file. This is very amazing, very wonderful app. Now let's wait for it to open. Okay, yeah. This is the work in our PDF file that is in PDF format is now in PowerPoint format. This is PowerPoint format. This is about PowerPoint. This is the thumbnails. This is thumbnail for this title. Okay, this one, it has three slides. It has three slides. So what look at it is, you can click on slideshow, click on begin so that we see very well. Okay, you left click to start show you others. The way you finish will take you back. As we in the PDF file is big pages, it will divide it into slides. So this is wonderful. Okay, let's go back. Let me show you the PDF file, because this is now in PowerPoint format. And if you look at the PDF file before, if you look at the PDF file before, you notice that the file is in PDF format before, but now we have already converted it to PPT. It's wonderful. Okay, look at the file before. Look at the format of PDF file. Look at how the PDF file used to look like. This is how the file is. But now look at how the file is now. Now look at this. This is a wonderful training. Now let's convert this, or even if you don't want to, we can select another one. We can convert this work now to PDF. Let's see if you can try that, or you can use any file. You can convert this work to PowerPoint, or you can use another PowerPoint file to convert to PDF. Okay, let's go back again. Let's go back again. Okay, if you go back again, all right, this is another one. We have done this. What we want to do now is to convert PowerPoint to PDF. Okay, what we do, the same thing, you double click. When you double click, it will take you to another interface, convert PowerPoint to PDF. You can select with your Google Drive, or select directly from PC. I like using this. You double click. When you double click, you now select if I want to use the PowerPoint file, the one I have, and I also will still use the one we are converted. Okay, this is the PowerPoint file. If you see, it is in PowerPoint format. Now we want to convert it to PDF. It's uploading. The file is uploading now, and it's always fast. That is why I like using it. So if you are seeing this video now, please share it to others. Share it to others so that they will benefit too. It's converting to PDF. This is a very good file. If you see the video, please try and share. And if you like what you are seeing, please subscribe and give us likes. So now this is it. Let's download it. You can download by double clicking. No, once the thing converts, it now send to download alert. Or if the thing doesn't happen like this, you can left click download, it will download. Now this is the work now. This is our file that is in PPT before. The thing is now in PDF file. Look at it, it's now in PDF file. This is amazing. It's now in PDF. It's no more in PowerPoint file. So look at the work before. Look at the PowerPoint. Let me show you. Look at the PowerPoint before. This is the PowerPoint before. This is the PowerPoint before. Now it's now in PDF format. This is wonderful. This is wonderful. Okay, look at the PowerPoint before. Now the thing is now in PDF format. All right, this is the okay. Look at it. It's now in PDF format. Let's see it in our browser. Okay, see it here. You can download the click here, save as. It will save. If you save it now, it will save as PDF. If you click on it, it will now save as. Instead of saving as, let's save it the same place. Instead of saving as PowerPoint, it's now saving as PDF file. Okay. Okay, let's preview it. Okay. Now look at it. This is the this one here is PDF file, and this one here is PowerPoint file. Okay, this is a bonus mark. This is a bonus training. Now let's match. I wanted to match two. Let's see if we can match two PDF file. Let's match the first PDF file and the second PDF file together. This is not what we do, but as a bonus, you can do a lot of things here. Okay, let's go back to our. Okay, this is the interface. This is the interface. Let us merge now. Let us merge now. We want to merge. Okay, we want to merge two documents. You select files. Click on select file. This is the PDF I want to merge. The first one. Open. This is the first one. Then this one is the second one. We add more file. Let's select. Okay. Click on merge. It's merging. Once you finish merging, it will start downloading. Yes, once you finish, it usually download by itself. Yes, it usually download by itself. Or you click on the left click on download merge PDF. Okay, let's open it. Okay, this is a merge PDF now. You click, if you move up, this is the first one. And this is good for the searchers. If you can merge two things, and it's good that we merge two words together and merge two PowerPoint together, merge PDF together, merge, let it be likes files, please. Okay, this is this. You merge it together. This we can see split it. You can see split it. You can say go to the you will still go to the place again. Okay, if you go back, you can still, this thing will merge now. You can still split it into two document. You can compress the PDF. You can convert it to any file here. So this is a very wonderful app that is good for students, researchers, any other person. As a novice, you need it, because if you are working with the system, you need it also to imagine document from one document to another. Okay, thank you. If you like our video, please don't forget to subscribe, share our video, like our video, so that you will receive notification in our next video. Thank you.